Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope that this has gone live. Can you see me? Okay, I think we are now good. I don't know whether you can see me on your side. Let me confirm. Okay, good. I can see it here. Meaning all is good. Yeah, all is good. Thank you so much. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in to this live classroom. And I wish you all the best as we continue learning Kikuyu together. Yeah. So I continue requesting you to make new request on what you want to learn, to continue recommitting in the existing videos, and requesting new content. I'm always there to create it, and I hope that that blesses you and helps you in your journey to learning Kikuyu. So today, assume you have gone to a marketplace, you want to buy something. So how do you ask the seller to sell you something? So this is what you say: nyenderia, nyenderia, nyenderia. For instance, if you want to buy bananas, bananas in Kikuyu is marigo. So you will say nyenderia marigo, nyenderia marigo, nyenderia marigo. If maybe you want to buy clothes, how will you say clothes in Kikuyu is guo? So you will say nyenderia guo if it's a specific one. Nyenderia guo eno, nyenderia guo eno, nyenderia guo eno. Good. If you want to buy maize, maize in Kikuyu is bebe, bebe. So you say nyenderia bebe, nyenderia bebe, nyenderia bebe. So you got it? Nyenderia, nyenderia, sell me or sell to me. Maize, nyenderia bebe, nyenderia bosho, nyenderia, nyenderia, nyenderia. What about to ask the price? What's the cost? What's the price? So you say, urendia mbeca cigana? Urendia mbeca cigana? Urendia mbeca cigana? Bebe urendia mbeca cigana? Bebe urendia mbeca cigana? How much is maize? Bosho urendia mbeca cigana? Bosho urendia mbeca cigana? How much is beans? Mufuto urendia mbeca cigana? Mufuto urendia mbeca cigana? How much is pair of trouser? Shati urendia mbeca cigana? Shati urendia mbeca cigana? How much is a chart? Good. Marigo urendia mbeca cigana? If you want to be more specific and you have them there, you can say marigo maya. Marigo maya, you want to, there's a high, maybe a selection. You can say marigo maya urendia mbeca cigana. Okay. Marigo maya, when you are pointing at it, marigo maya urendia mbeca cigana. Okay. Guo eno, maybe guo eno urendia mbeca cigana? Guo eno, you are specific. How much is this cloth? Guo eno urendia mbeca cigana? Okay. And then the seller will tell you, ndirendia ciringi ngiri ĩmwe, ndirendia ciringi ngiri ĩmwe. I'm selling at 1,000 Kenya shilling. Ndirendia ciringi ngiri ĩmwe. Okay, that would be the answer. Let's go on.